In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace cam arms for Dixon cam and groove couplers. Dixon offers both domestic and global cam and groove couplings, which are designed with distinct cam arms and pins that are not interchangeable. Before beginning the replacement process, it is important to identify the type of coupler. First, look at the coupler body ears. On a Dixon Global part, the ears will have holes for the safety cotter pins. Next, look at the pins. On a Global coupler, the cam arm pins are knurled around one end. Dixon domestic coupler pins have 3 indented slots on one end of the pin. Once the coupler type is determined, identify the type of cam arm being replaced. Dixon makes 3 primary styles: pull ring non-lockable, boss lock positive locking, and easy boss lock passive locking. Each arm type has unique features, but the replacement process for all styles follows the same steps. Remember, the replacement cam arm and pin must match the original components. The tools required for this procedure are a hammer and a standard round punch that is slightly smaller than the diameter of the pin being removed. Step 1. Mount the coupler in a vise to allow the pin to be driven out with a hammer and punch. Be sure to exercise caution when tightening the vise. Over-tightening can cause damage to the coupler. Step 2. Using the standard round punch and a hammer, remove the pin by driving it out from the smooth end so that the grooves or knurls in the pin are not being driven through the coupler ear. Step 3. Remove the punch from the cam arm ears and slide out the cam arm. Step 4. Once the cam arm and pin have been removed, discard them. Never install used cam and groove handles and pins. Step 5. Using a new pin, place the smooth end into the coupler ear hole. Step 6. Position the new handle between the ear and gently tap the new pin with a hammer until it is flush with the ear. Step 7. Repeat the previous steps for the other cam and groove handle. Remember, always replace both handles and pins even if only one is damaged. Step 8. Now that the cam arms are installed, inspect the fittings. For boss lock positive locking handles, close the cam arms. Insert clip part of pull rings through the holes in the safety pin lugs. If both clips do not successfully engage the pin lug, remove the handles and pins and discard the coupler. For easy boss lock handles, close the cam arms. Grasp the pull rings and attempt to pull the cam arm away from the coupler body. If either handle opens, remove the cam arm and pins and discard the coupler. Dixon offers a variety of cam and groove products to meet your needs. View our full product offerings on our website. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Don't forget to like this video and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.